There are three main responsibilities of the Kaizen team, one of which is facilitating training classes. The classes we are responsible of facilitating are TPS, TBP, and currently 4S+S. We also offer individual training for team members that want to further their development.
The Kaizen team is also responsible for reviewing documentation of all completed Kaizen activity and ensuring the 8 steps of TBP are being followed. The team also provides coaching sessions for TBP and JKK documents for team members that request our services.
The third responsibility for the Kaizen team is facility projects. So how do projects get sent and approved for the Kaizen team's involvement? Well, there is often a request by an individual home position or a facility need that requires the team's involvement. This may include items such as AutoCAD layout updates, MIFCs of warehouse processing lead times, as well as collecting any additional current conditions data needed for a successful project.
Oh, hi there.
Brian Amestis, Kaizen lead for 2 years.
Victor Adonis, Kaizen lead. I've been on a team for 2 years.
Drickenshaw, I've been a part of the Kaizen team for about 1.5 years now.
My name is Joseph Medina. I'm operations leader, and I am responsible for the Kaizen that takes place at Napcc.
Recently, I've been working with Home Position Bravo to standardize their processing so that we can incorporate Gintani. What that included was distance measurements, travel path measurements. We had to get the average bin cycle measurement. Then also we had to introduce small lot high frequency binning in order to get a consistent bin rate.
Past Kaizens I've worked on include projects in Home Position Delta and Receiving Dock, and most currently in Home Position Bravo. In Home Position Bravo, I helped realign the IOs according to the new layout and assisted in writing some new SOPs for their processes.
We've just completed the finished goods rack processing project with the help of Home Position J team members. This project greatly reduced the conveyance of high volume service parts going from the old K cage all the way to shipping dock. And to do this required identifying high volume parts that fit the standard that we set to go into the finished goods rack. The next step was the removal of the hybrid process so that they could be picked and binned and have improved visibility for the workload plan. And then finally put a plan together to transfer all those parts to the rack.
Looking back at the Toyota Way and the values that it holds, one thing that comes to mind is the continued quest for improvement. Every improvement, regardless of size, is valuable. However, the way it is accomplished is through people. And Kaizen is great because it helps to empower team members to question existing processes, to pursue what are the root causes, and to be able to standardize their work area. And that's a big passion of mine. I love that Kaizen thought process. One of the programs that is being implemented is the 4S+S program. And it's designed to have team member participation to call out the small problems in the work area. This program is going to be utilized to be able to make the issues that you're having visible, to be able to call them out, eliminate them, and to be able to stabilize your work area.
After that, I'm moving on to Home Position K. With their help from their associates, we are going to design a new check sort station and then design a new process for a check sort of their freight.
I'll be moving on to Home Position Alpha and helping them figure out a new process in the home position for the TDAM process.
Currently, I'll be working with Home Position H on their floor pile area. This is to address a safety concern of processing freight on the floor.
Kaizen involves our team members, and one piece that I can encourage you is to participate. If you're still on the fence about it, just go ahead and try it. Whether it's a small project or large, feel free to participate. We're here to support. So from myself to the team, to Danielle as our training coordinator, we're all here to support you.